Close the door.
What am I supposed to be doing?
I will not.
Oh, I didn't hear that part.
We are on Mariner of the Seas, room 7202. It is a forward, and I mean forward. We are right on the bow of the ship, ocean view room, and we're going to take a tour.
Go away.
Crew's smarter, not harder. Apparently, she's not going to open the door for us.
Hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
You're disrupting my cleaning.
All right. So there's quite a bit of space in this ocean view. Nice big royal king size, two twins put together. What I did notice though right off the bat, 0 plugins. 0
At the bed.
plugins at the bed. Plenty of space. Tons of space actually. Of course, we got the massive. We got to separate it. Oh no, that is separated. The massive. Living room right here. No, go ahead and wipe down your stuff, baby. That's going to be part of the video.
Oh, thanks.
You are welcome. She is wiping down handles. She's Purell princessing the whole thing. What?
Clorox is your friend.
Clorox is your friend. I'm going to start with the absolutely amazing Royal Entertainment System. And by that I mean a tiny little TV in our room. Let's take you in, show you what we got. We got our safe. We got some more space up top. Of course, it wouldn't be royal without the mini cooler, or it wouldn't be a room without the mini cooler. Right in there.
For the hacks to keep your cooler on the colder side, because it is not a refrigerator, is to put a towel here on your door and let it gap. It helps with the airflow and it keeps cool.
You want to walk us through the vanity bed?
You have 3 decent sized drawers. Easy close. You got your chair. You got a drawer to throw in whatever you want. We usually put like papers and things in there. And then on the matching side with your Kleenex and your hair dryer. And 3 more drawers. And then some top little drawers. Oh, that's interesting. I haven't seen that before. It folds out, so I guess it extends over. Oh, don't know why, but cool. Does the other one do that? Nope, this one.
And open the mirrors.
I got more storage behind the mirror, so well, remember that one cruise we were like, oh, that was open like 3 days in for extra storage. So you can put we usually put like suntan lotion and bottles of wine, that kind of stuff.
If this is helping you figure out what actually matters on your cruise, hit the subscribe and notifications. We got a lot more coming.
Moving this way. It's actually a decent sized closet for an ocean view. You can put your luggage here or put it under your bed. I recommend under the bed because we're going to put a pop-up hamper here. And then we have plenty of hangers. If you don't have enough, just ask your room attendant for more. And then some shelves. And this is where your packing cubes come in handy so everything doesn't fall through. We'll put that part up.
Of course.
You can fold that down to hang more stuff. Or some people say they put their luggage there. I don't think that's strong enough for that.
All right.
Got your 2 hooks. One thing I don't like is where the light switch is for the bathroom.
All right, now the piece de resistance, the absolutely stunning bathroom on an ocean view. We're going to start down at the bottom. Some storage underneath. You got your trash. Let's come on up. Tons of room in the shower. We actually have the door closed right now. Overall, the stateroom is solid. We're gonna head out to the room, talk to Kat, see her thoughts on it. All right, so room 7202, Mariner of the Seas, ocean view at the very bow of the ship. What are your initial thoughts, my love?
I like it. It's more spacious than I expected it to be. It has a really great view off the front. I am a little bit worried about motion if we hit some choppy waters.
I will keep the motion in your ocean.
I know you're gonna say that. Cheesy.
Am I cheesy? I am cheesy. Overall, pretty standard. I like it. It's pretty straightforward. A little dated, you know, but Mariner's a little older.
It's been 2018, I think, wasn't it? For
since the amplification, I don't think this room got done in the amplification. It is dated, but
it's solid.
It's solid and great space, like better space than I was expecting. It's gonna do for 5 days. Well, it's gotta do for 5 days because we're here, no matter what. Overall, I would give it a pretty solid grade. I would recommend an ocean view. This is our first ocean view in a very long time.
Yep, I like it.
I like it too. So,
Be a good place to call home for a week.
till we see you again, ship happens.